So make this the year you expand your recipe collection and either improve on something old or try something new. Our partners at AllRecipes have you covered with this classic dish that's a fan favorite.
Hi friends, I'm Cassandra Jones, joined by my mini chef,
Addison.
Today we're gonna make one of the most popular recipes on AllRecipes.com, lasagna! So let's start by making the sauce. To start our sauce, we're gonna brown a pound of sweet sausage. Now that we've browned our sausage, let's add in our ground beef. While the meat browns, let's get our fresh herbs ready. We're gonna need 2 cloves of crushed garlic. You may be wondering how to properly crush your garlic. Take the back of your knife and you push it, and then you take the sharper end of your knife to help release a lot of that garlic flavor. We need 4 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Now that our fresh herbs are cut, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of onion and our garlic to the pot. Now it's time to make it saucy. We're gonna need 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 6-ounce cans of tomato paste, and 2 6.5-ounce cans of tomato sauce, and a 1/2 cup of water. Let's get our spices together. 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of basil, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we have our herbs all put together. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of our fresh parsley, and let's talk about the sugar. You'll need 2 tablespoons. This will help to cut down on a lot of the acidity with the tomatoes. Now that we have everything mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and put a lid on our pot and let it simmer for 1.5 hours. Our sauce has been cooking for about 2 hours, so now we wanna boil our pasta. While we wait for our pasta, let's work on our ricotta cheese mixture. You're gonna need 16 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, the rest of our parsley, that's 2 tablespoons, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we add in the ingredients, and now let's give it a nice mix. Our pasta's been cooking for 10 minutes, so let's go ahead and pull it out and get it out of the pot. What we wanna do is lay it out flat so it doesn't get stuck to the other pasta, making it easy to work with. Now it's time to assemble our lasagna. We're gonna start with our meat sauce, about 1.5 cups on the bottom layer. Now we're gonna take our noodles and lay them down lengthwise. You want them to overlap. Next, we wanna take 1/2 of our ricotta mixture and lay it right on top. Once we have our ricotta cheese nice and laid out, it's time to top with mozzarella. More meat sauce. We're gonna sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. Once we've sprinkled on our Parmesan cheese, it's time to keep adding to those layers. Let's grab some more noodles. Sprinkle on some mozzarella. Look at all that cheese. Now it's ready to go in the oven. And now I'm gonna preheat my oven to 375. I covered the lasagna with foil. Now I'm gonna let it bake for 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. Let's take off the foil and let it go for 25 minutes more. It looks like our lasagna is finally ready. Woo! Let's cut into this ooey, cheesy goodness. We sprinkle on a little parsley. Does that smell delicious? Do you want to try a little bite?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, this recipe is a home run. For the world's best lasagna and even more recipes, head on over to allrecipes.com. We'll see you later. Bye.